Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be reviewing this monster truck with this crushable car. So I got this at Circle K for $8. So here is the monster truck. I really like that neon green with the yellow. It looks really good together. And the tires, I really like the tires because they're just like a really nice design, and it reminds me of like a leprechaun kind of thing. So yeah. And this is the crush car. This is the toxic one. I'm pretty sure you can only get this in this pack. And it has 8 different trucks and a car. But not all of them are crushed. This one has like the little toxic emblem, and then it has the name of the monster truck. And I really like that neon on the bottom. And it even has neon in the interior, if you can see it. So overall, it's a really nice car. And it even has like the little Hot Wheel emblem. The monster truck, it has excuse me. It has the monster truck emblem, the gun monster. I guess that's what it's called. And then the front, it says that again. And then the Hot Wheels emblem. So overall, I think this is a pretty good set of cars. For $8 though, I wouldn't take it. For $6, that would be pretty good. For $4, definitely buying it. $8 though is a little bit pricey, but the main reason I got it is the car. I like the monster truck. I don't really think I'll use the monster truck as much as I will this. But yeah, so now I'm gonna show you all the things you can get. So first you can get the 5-alarm with the little fire truck. This monster truck with the little T-Rex car. Scorpion with the scorpion car. The dragon with the little dragon car. The pure muscle and the piranha terror. And then the Race Ace and Crash Sedan's sudden stop. That's this one. The Will Trash It All, that's the team name, and All Crush Wagon Flat Iron. And then the one that I got, the Speed Bump and Gangster car. So that's all the ones you can get in that pack. So if you find them, my personal 3 favorites would be the Race Ace and Sudden Stop, Will Trash It All, and Flat Iron, and this one with the neon. That's called Gangster and the Speed Bump. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys that. And I gotta show you something else that I got on vacation when I went on vacation. That's why I haven't been posting in a while, because I've been on vacation that long. I just really haven't had any time to post YouTube videos. So let me just get that real quick. So this is a Scott Bloomquist 164 scale 8 model. So this has like his emblem on the side, rubber tires, really nice front hood. I like the quarter panel. On the back it says, oh, I don't say anything on the back. So overall, it's a very nice car. This car, it was at, I think I got this for $30. Brand new. So yeah, overall just a very nice car. So here's the cars. I got this one today. Like literally just got it. This one I got it like a couple days ago. And if you're watching this video before I post my late model videos, I'm gonna start doing late model ones, but it's gonna be separate. It's gonna be Heat 1, then I'm gonna do Heat 2 in a separate video, Heat 3 in a separate video, Heat 4 in a separate video. Then first, second, third, and fourth. First in all the heat races are gonna be top 4. So that's how that's gonna work. And then we're gonna go to the A main. That's gonna be 25 laps. So yeah, overall it was just a really fun time, and yeah, I guess I'll see y'all next time. Bye.